Today we're going to make a guest book for an upcoming wedding. And we're going to use these walnut offcuts from an earlier project. And I'm going to try this voiceover thing, but don't worry, if it gets too bad, you can turn your volume down. I won't mind. I start by milling them and then resawing them into some thin boards to glue up into some panels for the front and back cover. Here I'm just figuring the width of the cover and cutting it to size. I'm using a dado blade to remove some of the material from each side of the spine. This will leave 2 hinge points at each end. I'm using a backing board here to prevent tear out, and this works really well as long as you remember to use it for each cut, which I didn't do. I really wanted the wood grain to sort of wrap around the book from the front cover through the spine and onto the back cover, so I really tried to fix this tear out in the spine, but I just couldn't make it look good, so I ended up making a second spine. Fortunately, I hadn't cut the back of the book yet, and so I was able to steal a small piece of that back cover and make a second spine out of it, and the grain still matched up pretty well. This is just an inexpensive personal organizer that I picked up. These are called Chicago screws, and I'll use them to attach the metal rings to the spine. The front cover hinge turned out to be pretty tight and took a lot of sanding to get it loosened up, so when I made the back one I tried a different method, which seemed to work out a little better. I sanded everything up to 180 grit, and this is the first of, I think, maybe 4 or 5 coats of finish. To fasten the hinge pins, I just backed them out about 1/4 of an inch and then applied a little glue and twisted them back in so they would be glued to the spine, but not the cover. These pages are just some medium weight cardstock. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Congratulations to the Parkers. I hope this book works well for them. Please subscribe if you'd like, and I appreciate you watching. Thanks.